Hello. Today we are going to be thinking about counting in fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you see what I did there? I used my fingers. When we're counting bigger numbers, we can use things to help us. So to count to 10, I used my fingers. What happens if it's more than 10? You might need some other things to help you. I found these at home. These are some counters from a game. These are perfect. Let's see if I can use these to help me count in fives. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to count out one group of 5. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have I got 5 there? Should we check? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when I'm counting, I touch each counter and move it just a little bit, just so that I know that I've counted it. And look what I've done. I've put them in a nice line. Easier to count that way. Can you imagine if they were all like that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, hang on. Have I counted that one? It's a bit tricky when they're all over the place. If you put them in a nice line, it's so much easier to count. And you know which ones you've counted as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got one group of 5. How many are there all together if we have 2 groups of 5? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One group of 5. 2 groups of 5. Let's just check that I have got 5 in that second group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. One group of 5, 2 groups of 5. How many counters have I got all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 counters all together and I have 2 groups of 5. Is there another way that I could count how many counters I've got all together? We could count in twos. We learnt that last week, didn't we? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Today, though, we're going to concentrate on counting in fives, because counting in fives is a little bit more trickier than counting in twos. And I know you're really good at counting in twos now because you've been practicing. So we've got one group of 5 and we've got 2 groups of 5. How many would we have altogether if we had 3 groups of 5? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got, let's check I've got 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, got 5. So I've now got one group of 5, 2 groups of 5 and 3 groups of 5. How many counters have I got all together? Let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 counters all together. It's easier when you've got things to help you, isn't it? I'm going to set you a challenge. Can you tell me how many counters I would have all together if I had 5 groups of 5. You may need some things to help you. Do what I did. Go and find some things from around the house that you can lay out in lines of 5, and that will help you count. 5 groups of 5 is your challenge. Once you've done that, you could take a picture. Ask your grown-up to take a picture and you could send it to your teacher on our year group email page. You know, we've all got one of those, and lots of you have been sending us in lots of lovely pictures and things you've been doing at home. So give it a go, and if you can, take a picture and send it to your teacher. Speak to you again soon. Bye.